The Bolt cable lock works with your truck key. It features a weatherproof 6-foot black vinyl coated cable, a rugged jacket and cap, and a stainless steel shutter to keep out dirt and moisture. It features an auto return spring which initiates the lock to lock automatically when the key is removed, and a plate tumbler sidebar to prevent picking and bumping. Coding your cable lock is easy. Just insert your vehicle key, turn once, and the lock learns your key. Use your cable lock to secure expensive ladders, spare tires, and bikes. And it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Learn more at boltlock.com.